Lisboa, boa tarde, EUROATLANTIC 322, descendo flight level 250, inbound Troia.
EUROATLANTIC 322, boa tarde, continue descent flight level 70, information Lima.
Information Lima on board, and continue descent flight level 70, EUROATLANTIC 322.
Level 70 set, check speed.
EUROATLANTIC 322 request.
EUROATLANTIC 322, go ahead.
Any chance to also proceed to runway 35?
EUROATLANTIC 322, stand by.
Up.
This is the situation, we have 03 and 35. The wind is strong from this side, giving wind shear, so we're negotiating with the guys so we can go for 35, which is a shorter runway, but we'll have almost down the nose on the wind, which is good. We'll see what happens.
Yes, is it possible to ask for the RDME runway 35? Going in 462, stand by.
Clear 2.
EUROATLANTIC 322, continue the arrival, expect vectors for a view RDME approach runway 35.
Continue the arrival, and we will expect vectors for your DME approach runway 35, EUROATLANTIC 322.
Flight level 240,
Put a checklist.
Put a checklist.
Já estou ali. Put a checklist.
EUROATLANTIC 322, contact Tower 118.1, Deus, boa tarde.
Tower 118.1, obrigado e boa tarde, EUROATLANTIC 322. Tower, boa tarde, EUROATLANTIc 322, full service on localizer, runway 35.
EUROATLANTIC 322, boa tarde, continue approach runway 35, wind check 360 degrees, 19er knots.
Continue approach runway 35, EUROATLANTIC 322.
Okay, next altitude 1200. Here down, flaps 20.
Is 96 uniform Delta, roger, fully back. Portugal 1141, wind at midpoint 340 degrees, 19er knots, runway 03, clear to land.
Clear to land, Portugal 1141.
$2,500.
Let's check. Flaps 30, landing checklist.
Landing checklist. Cabin. Secured. Speed brake.
Armed.
Landing gear.
Down.
Down. Flaps.
30.
30. Landing checklist completed.
Autopilot off, my controls. Autopilot off, my controls.
Check. Sim, não há problema.
EV98 Tango November.
EV98 Tango November, hello.
Auto throttle to follow.
03, wind check at midpoint 340 degrees, 20 knots.
Flight
Auto
is
flight
off.
off. Okay. Yeah, it's clear.
Yours on back again, okay?
Mine is on.
Europa just took off.
Right, white on white.
322, wind 360 degrees, 20 knots, runway 35, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 35, EUROATLANTIC 322.
1,000.
Stabilized.
Stabilized.
100.
On speed, on glide. Oh, no.
Auto throttle off.
Check.
Landing, minimums.
Minimums, yeah.
Minimums.
Speed.
Correcting.
Skyrunner 541 Papa low, line up runway 03 and wait.
Line up runway 03 and wait, confirm, 541 Papa.
541 Papa, affirm. Expect departure after the traffic landing now on runway 35. Please expedite for departure.
up and wait and expect for departure runway 03 for front Papa.
EC96 Uniform Delta. 96 Uniform Delta, go ahead.
Yes, just for information, can you inform the aircraft in front of us, 737, that is losing a lot of liquid from the just on his tail there's a mass there, so it's looking like water.
50,
it's losing a lot of liquid.
40,
It's
30, 20, 10.
Skyrunner 541 Papa, did you copy the communication from the previous communication?
Reverse normal.
Acabaram de encher os tanques de água aqui no avião, não há problema.
Ok, obrigado. Então confirmo que pode alinhar e speed para desculpar, se faz favor.
Sim, afirmativo, ok, we're gonna enter now and line up and wait, runway 03. Portugal 1101, BOEING approach runway 35.
Portugal 1101, continue approach runway 35 and check 360 degrees 19 knots.
Flimsy para ir para o hotel. Isto aí depois do November.
Atlantic 322, expedite vacate runway please. Continue straight ahead if it helps, sir. Vacate by the right. Expedite please.
We expedite, vai ao Hotel November, Aeroplane 322.
Ja. Zo, hij is gaan even kijken.
Run even kijken, Aeroplane 322.
Atlantic 322, roger. Contact ground 11750.
11.750, obrigado pela ajuda, Aeroplane 322.
Rigid taxi, Azure 801.
Livrei da direita.
So guys, welcome to Lisbon Airport. Here we go, safe and sound. Landed. We planned for runway 03. We landed runway 35, where the weather conditions are much better. We just saw another aircraft going around for runway 03. It's very windy and with a lot of wind shear. We can actually filter it a little bit on our approach for runway 35, which is uneventful. So hope you enjoyed it. See you soon. Thank you.